What is laptop? Laptop computer or notebook computer is a small, portable personal computer with a screen and alphanumeric keyboard. These typically have a clamshell form factor, typically having the screen mounted on the inside of the upper lid of the clamshell and the keyboard on the inside of the lower lid. Although two-in-one pieces with the detachable keyboard are often marketed as laptop or as having a laptop mode, laptop or folded shut for transportation and thus are suitable for mobile use. Its name comes from lap as it's deemed practical to be placed on personal lap. As of 2021, in American English, the term laptop computer and notebook computer are used interchangeably. In other dialects of English, one or other may be preferred. The term notebook computer or notebooks originally referred to a specific size of laptop, originally smaller and lighter than mainstream laptop of the time. The term have come to mean the same thing. A notebook no longer referred to any specific size. Laptop combine all the input-output components and capabilities of desktop, including the display screen, small, sometimes an optical disk drive, pointing devices such as touchpad or pointing stick, with an operating system, a processor, and memory into a single unit. Most modern laptop features webcam and built-in microphones voice may also have touch screen. Laptop can be powered either from an internal battery or an external power supply for an AC adapter. Hardware specifications such as the processor speed and memory capacity significantly vary between difference between model and price points. Design element form factor and construction can also vary significantly between models depending on intended use. Example of specialized model of laptop include budget notebooks for use in construction or military application as well as low production cost child OLPC organization which incorporate features like solar charging and semi-flexible component not found on most laptop computer. Portable computer which later developed in modern laptop were originally considered to be small niche market, most for specialized field applications such as in the military, for accountant or the traveling sales representative. As the portable computer evolved into the modern laptop, they become widely used for a variety of purposes. Campbell Vermont laptop from the late 1990s, Apple MacBook Air Ultra portable laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad, Lenovo ThinkPad, Acer Aspire laptop, Microsoft Surface Pro, Alienware gaming laptop, Samsung Sense laptop, Samsung Notebook 3, Panasonic ToughBook